Okay, IGCSE review front page. One of the problems you can run into with front page is when you open it, you don't see your task pane. It might appear, but if it doesn't appear, you do view task pane, then you find it here. Task pane is useful because it gives you a number of items here, and I can do new page, templates, style sheet, normal style sheet, and now I'm going to give myself a style sheet with H1 and H2 blue serif times italic 24 point. So I'm going to click on H1 and use define style. Sorry, H1, double click, and I'm going to edit it by editing the format. So I said I'm going to do blue serif such as times italic 24 point. I go blue times a serif font such as times 24 and italic. I say OK, and this is inserted here. Now I'm going to have a new one, so I'm going to click on HTML tags. I'm going to go to I double click, I do format, font. I could do paragraph for alignment too. I do font, and this time I'm going to do this. Why not give myself some alignment too? I'll say center aligned. So A2 red sans serif, Arial bold center. So I have Arial, which is a sans serif, colors red, it's bold, 16 font. I say OK. But now I'm going to go into format paragraph, and paragraph alignment I'm going to say center. So I've formatted the font and the paragraph. I can do numbering and positioning too if I want under format. So I'm going to say OK, OK, and I'm going to save that. Put it on my desktop right now to a new folder, and I'll call it style sheet, unless I'm told to call it something else. Okay, I'm going to make a new home page, and it's going to have menu items on the top and room for a table here. So it's going to look something like this. So I come over here and I do file and new, and I got a new page. I'm going to file and save that as, in here I'm going to call it home, and title I'm going to censor, come down to the next row, and I want to insert 4 columns, 1, 2, 3, 4, and just like in a word processor, I'll highlight the row, or in Excel, and I get rid of the borders, and here I can give myself my title, Weird Shop, and I'm going to center that, and here I'm going to type in squid, drag that back, squid, spiders, toe, and olives. And then I'm going to leave some room down here for another table, and I may wish to merge some cells in that table by highlighting and doing right mouse click, merge cells. I can also merge cells this way, right mouse click, merge cells. If I wish to split the cells, I can do right mouse click and I can split the cells, and those cells here can split into columns or rows like that. And in this fashion I can make a variety of different formats through merging cells and splitting cells and inserting new columns. This is the table. This is how I do most of my layout. I'm just going to add some text. Why do I want to buy a squid? Why not? And what I'm going to do now is link to my style sheet in the next video.